Welcome to Analytics Campus. On today's series, we're looking at customer market basket analysis. Have you ever noticed how online stores recommend products like customers who bought this also bought that? Or how supermarkets place certain items side by side on shelves? That's not random. It's powered by a technique called market basket analysis. Market basket analysis helps businesses understand customer purchasing patterns by analyzing which products are often bought together. It's like opening a window into the customer's shopping cart to uncover hidden relationships between items. Let's break it down. 1. The concept of market basket analysis. Imagine a customer buys bread. There's a high chance they might also buy butter or jam. When enough data is analyzed, these associations become clear. Businesses use this insight to improve cross-selling, design promotions, and arrange products strategically to boost sales. 2. The Apriori algorithm. One of the most common techniques used is the Apriori algorithm. It works by identifying frequent product combinations in transactions. For example, it might reveal that 70% of people who buy diapers also buy baby wipes. With this knowledge, businesses can offer bundle deals, run targeted ads, or recommend products more effectively. 3. The FP growth algorithm. Another powerful method is FP growth. Unlike a priori, which scans data multiple times, FP growth is faster and more efficient. It builds a tree structure to quickly spot frequent item patterns. This means businesses can handle larger data sets and get faster results, especially useful for big supermarkets or e-commerce platforms with millions of transactions. 4. Real-world applications. Market basket analysis is used everywhere. In e-commerce, Amazon and other retailers recommend products based on what customers often purchase together. In supermarkets, items like chips and soft drinks are placed near each other because data shows they're frequently bought together. Even in banking and healthcare, similar techniques are applied to understand customer behavior and improve service offerings. 5. Why it matters. The real power of market basket analysis is in personalization. By understanding buying habits, businesses can anticipate customer needs before the customer even realizes them. It increases customer satisfaction, boosts sales, and builds stronger loyalty. So the next time you see a frequently bought together suggestion, remember, it's not just a coincidence. It's data science in action, helping businesses and customers make smarter choices. Don't forget to like and share our contents. See you on our next series.